So with these problems, it's good to first draw the measurement that we have. And so in radians, negative pi means that we go here half of a circle. That's a dot right there. And anytime that you draw a dot on the unit circle, the x-coordinate of that dot represents the cosine of that angle. The y-coordinate of the dot represents the sine of that angle. So cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So that means instead of doing sine over cosine, tangent is cosine negative pi divided by sine negative pi. And we have those values from our dot here. This is on the unit circle negative 1 comma 0 because the unit circle has a radius of 1. It can only be one space from the origin. So the cosine of negative pi is negative 1. Sine of negative pi is 0. So we can fill in our answers here. We said that this was negative 1. Sine of negative pi was 0. So we say this one is undefined. Undef, which is my rapper name. Copyright. So cosine of negative pi, that's the same thing as asking cosine of negative pi over sine of negative pi because that's reciprocal of tangent. Oh gosh, I said cosine. Cotangent of negative pi. That's cosine of negative pi over sine of negative pi. When we found those values by thinking of the x-coordinates, we got an undefined answer. So that's our answer is undefined.